Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the simple process of unblocking someone on Messenger. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to reconnect with someone you've previously blocked, don't worry. Unblocking them is a breeze. Follow these straightforward steps to get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Messenger app. Once you have it running, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This will take you to a new menu where you can access various options related to your account. Next, you'll want to tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down a bit and select the Privacy and Safety option. Here, you can manage who can connect with you and your account's overall privacy settings. Now, look for the section labeled Blocked Accounts. Once you're in there, you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked. Take your time to find the person you want to unblock. After you locate their name, go ahead and tap on it to view their profile. Finally, you'll see an option to unblock. Tap this button, and voila! You've successfully unblocked that person. It's as easy as that. So, whether you're ready to reconnect or just want to clear things up, unblocking someone on Messenger is quick and hassle-free. We hope you found this guide helpful. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.